Lantern Festival is also known as Songxiaoji. It's a significant Chinese traditional festival celebration the 5th day of first month in the lunar calendar. Marking the end of the Chinese New Year celebration, it's time of vibrant displays, delicious foods, rich and cultural tradition. Origin and significance. The festival origin are guarded in the region, with stories ranging from the honoring Buddha to outsmarting in the jade of emperor. Regardless its precise beginning, the Lantern Festival symbolizes the end of winter, the arrival of spring and family unity. The full moon of this night represents completeness and togetherness.
Traditions and activities. The festival is characterized by spectacular lantern display. Lanterns come in various shapes, size and colors, often depicting animals, mythical creatures, or intricate designs. Many cities hold large lanterns, first showcasing impressive artistry. Another key tradition is guessing lantern riddles. Riddles are written on lanterns, and those who solve them receive small prizes. The festival also features vibrant lion and dragon dance, fireworks, and the consumption of sweet rice balls called tangyuan or shanxiao.
Tangyuan. These glutinous rice balls, often filled with sweet pasties like sesame or red bean, symbolize family reunion and completeness due to their round shape and the similar pronunciation of their name to Suanyuan, meaning reunion. Modern celebration. While deeply rooted in tradition, the Lantern Festival continues to evolve. Modern celebration often incorporate elements of contemporary art and technology, making a captivating blend of ancient customs and modern innovation. The festival, also known, spread beyond China, with many communities around the world hosting their own Lantern Festival events.
The Spring Festival, Changji, also known as the Chinese New Year, is the most important holiday in China, celebrated with October and tradition. It marks the beginning of New Year in the lunar calendar, typically falling between January 21 at February 20 on the Gregorian calendar. Origin and symbolism. The festival was associated with the legend tracking in the back of mythical beast Nian, a monster prey of the human New Year Eve. The color of red fire track and the red pepper decoration were believed to war of Nian. The name of Changji Spring Festival refers to the timing during the cultural warming on the northern hemisphere and the start of agricultural activities. Global impact. The Spring Festival influence extends beyond China, with nearly 20 countries recognizing its own holiday. Communities worldwide and team lantern display, dragon dances, and cultural events to celebrate this vibrant tradition.